Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we have something again from Rapoo. Okay, it's a keyboard and mouse combo. It's called the 9300M or now 9300M. Okay, it's a keyboard and a mouse combo. It's supposed to be a Bluetooth capable and wireless receiver capable. Okay. So you can switch between Bluetooth 3.0, 4.0, and 2.4G easily. Okay, this is available at Silicon Valley for only 1,600 pesos. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. And so the mouse. Oh, there's the mouse. And we're gonna pull out the keyboard. Ayaw kong sirain yung plastic. Yeah. And there's the keyboard. Yep. Wow, ang nipis. Tignan nyo? You see? You see how thin it is? Okay. And inside the box also, there's something else here inside here. Okay, the manual, and that's it. Okay, so the mouse, yan. Okay. So let's start with the mouse muna, okay? Looks like it comes with a battery. This is a pull tab. Okay. So we're gonna open it, show you. And there's one battery. It's a 3.5 3.5. It's a AA battery, just a single one. Okay. And there's also a slot for the wireless receiver. Okay. So we'll leave that out. We're gonna test that later. I'll show you that we're testing it. Power switch or power button. Okay. And if it works like the other Bluetooth mouse that I was able to test before, this is the switch that makes it switch between the wireless receiver and the Bluetooth. Okay. So we're gonna turn it off muna. Yeah. Put it down there. Okay. The keyboard has a battery slot here. See, just push it up. It's powered by two AAA batteries. Okay. So, okay, and it's supposed to go in facing each other. Okay. And to close it, you just need to slide it down. Tingnan nyo, this is how thin it is. Oh, I don't have my wallet here. But, you know, just for comparison's sake. See? It's so thin. Okay, can you see it? This is a casing for 32 GB micro USB. Okay, so to turn it on again, there's a switch in the bottom. Okay, and it says multi-mode wireless keyboard, so you're supposed to be able to pair with devices. Okay, we're gonna try the Bluetooth first with the MatePad Pro. I have it here. Okay, stop charging now. It's now connected to the keyboard. We're gonna pause it to change the view. Guys, we're searching now. We're gonna try to turn on the keyboard and already switch on the mouse, and according to here, as you can see, there's Rapoo BT 3.0 mouse, Rapoo BT 4.0 mouse, there's Rapoo BT 3.0 with the keyboard sign, and same with the 4.0. Okay, so as you can see, there's for it. So we're gonna connect the keyboard and the mouse using both the 3.0 versions. To turn it on, to start pairing, you press function and 1 or 2 or 3 here, and it's gonna, hopefully it's gonna get connected. Okay, so as you can see, still pairing. Now it says it's paired with the mouse and it's paired with the keyboard. Okay, as you can see there, keyboard and mouse. And I don't know if you can see it there, it's moving around. Okay, so we're gonna try it now, and it works. Okay, able to connect on the Xiaomi Pocophone the Bluetooth mouse 4.0 and the Bluetooth keyboard 4.0. As you can see here in the notepad, it actually works, right? So I'm not sure why I had a hard time with the Huawei here. So now what we're gonna try is to transfer from here there. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm paired here on the left side on the phone, and then I just press function two times. It's not working. Oh, okay. Function 1 if I want to transfer here. So now it's connected, and along with the mouse from here, as you can see, still connected. Just press it once and it disconnects there, and it should reconnect here on the other side. See, it's there, connected. So that's easy. And of course, if you want to use a 2.4G, then just press 2.4G. Okay, it automatically disconnected here. Okay, reconnect it, and it's reconnected. So function plus then 1, 2 or 3 or 4 2 times. Okay, thanks guys. Oh, this is available, don't forget, it's available in Silicon Valley for 1,600 pesos only. It's nice, especially now if you're gonna be doing homeschooling and you're using a tablet or a desktop PC that has Bluetooth, or you can use the wireless connector. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, bye.